Fluids aren't just things we pour into cups or pipes. They're essential to life itself, moving through living organisms and powering the machines humans have created. A fluid is any substance that flows. Liquids and gases both count. That means water, blood, air, oil, and even lava are all fluids. Whether in nature or technology, fluids move in predictable ways. And their movement makes systems work. In nature, the best example is the human body. Your blood is a fluid that flows through thousands of kilometers of blood vessels, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell. With every beat of your heart, pressure forces blood through arteries and veins. This flow is carefully regulated. If it didn't move smoothly, your organs wouldn't get the supplies they need. In plants, fluids like sap and water move through specialized tubes, called xylem and phloem. Water is pulled upward from the roots to the leaves, while sugars made in the leaves flow downward to the rest of the plant. Without these fluid systems, neither animals nor plants could survive. Fluids also play a central role in technology. Pumps move water through pipes to bring clean drinking water into homes. Hydraulic systems use liquids to lift heavy loads, like car jacks raising vehicles in a repair shop. Pneumatic systems use gases instead of liquids, powering tools like drills or brakes on a bus. In both hydraulics and pneumatics, fluids are used to transfer force, proving how versatile they are in human-made machines. When you compare fluids in nature to fluids in technology, the similarities become clear. Both rely on flow, pressure, and regulation. Both have pumps that keep things moving. Hearts in living bodies, mechanical pumps in machines. Both face challenges like blockages or leaks. Studying one often inspires improvements in the other. Engineers have designed pumps modeled after the way the heart works. And doctors use fluid dynamics equations to understand blood flow and treat problems. So here's your challenge. You're going to create a split diagram that shows fluids in nature on one side and fluids in technology on the other. On the nature side, you might illustrate blood flow in animals or water transport in plants. On the technology side, you could draw a hydraulic lift, a pneumatic system, or water pipes in a city. Each system must include arrows showing how fluids move, as well as labels that explain the forces and processes involved. To complete this project, you'll need to do the following. First, choose one natural example of fluid flow, like blood circulation or plant sap, and one technological example, like hydraulics, pneumatics, or water pipes. Next, sketch your diagram with two halves, nature on one side and technology on the other. Then, add arrows to show the direction of fluid movement in each system. After that, label the important parts of each system and explain how forces like pressure, flow, or pumping make them work. Finally, make your diagram neat, detailed, and colorful, so the connection between natural and human-made fluid systems is clear. By the end of this project, you'll see that fluids are more than just liquids and gases. They are active systems that sustain life and power technology. From blood in your veins to oil in an engine, fluids are constantly at work, proving that the same scientific principles connect living organisms and human inventions.